Hello students, today we are going to see about the second problem in exercise 3.3. Consider the following parallelogram. We need to find the values of unknowns x, y and z. So totally 5 problems are there. First let us see the first problem. So this is the first problem where we have the parallelogram A, B, L, C and D. Okay. So we need to find out x, y, z value. So easily we can find out with the property that opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So using that property I can say that angle y is equal to 100 degree. Okay, so these two angles are opposite, so opposite angles are equal, so y is equal to 100 degree. And again I have adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, when we add two adjacent angles, right, we will get 180 degree. That is, whenever I have z plus 100 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so z is equal to 180 minus 100. Okay, so 180 minus 100. So 0, 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 8, and then 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. So I have 80. So z is equal to 80 degree. And again, so I have determined y is equal to 100, z is equal to 80. Definitely these two angles are opposite, right? So again, because of this property, opposite angles are equal, I can say that x is equal to 80 degree. Why? Because again opposite angles are equal, so x is equal to 80 degree. While seeing the second problem, again we have the property, the same property, right? Adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, so the adjacent angles are supplementary, so I can say that x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree because these two angles are adjacent angles. So x is equal to 180 minus 50. So 180 minus 50, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5 is 3 and then 1 minus 0 is 130. Right, so totally we have 130, x is equal to 130. So since we have determined this, again we have the property what? Opposite angles are equal, right? So opposite angles are equal, so definitely I can say y is equal to 130 degree. And to determine z now, right? So again these two angles are opposite, definitely this angle is 50 degree. Okay, so using this I can determine z. That is, we have the property called sum of interior and exterior angle. Sum of interior and exterior angle at same vertex. Okay, at same vertex of any polygon is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so using this I can easily find out what is z. So 50 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so z is equal to again 180 minus 50, which is equal to, so already we have determined 180 minus 50 is 130. Okay, so again z is also 130 degree. Okay, so using this I can determine what is z, or else we have again another property called, when we have two parallel lines and we have a transversal across it, okay, the alternate interior angles, right? So this angle, this angles are same, so alternate interior angles are same. Okay, so using that also I can find out what is z. So definitely y is 130, so that is equal to z. Why? Because alternate interior angles, right? Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so using that also I can say y is equal to z, which is nothing but 130. Okay, so we can determine z either by this property, sum of interior and exterior angle at same vertex of any polygon is 180 degree, or alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, and coming to the third problem. Okay, so first let us see this triangle. Okay, first of all, this is a right angle triangle. Easily we can say that x is equal to 90, or we have one property called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal. So this is nothing but 90 degree. So definitely this angle which is vertically opposite. Okay, so x is also 90 degree. Okay, and again it is actually looking like this. Okay, so x value is 90 degree, and here already they have given it is 30 degree. Okay, so we have another property. Okay, that is sum of all angles, sum of all angles in a triangle, sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we know that x is 90, so 90 plus y plus 30 is nothing but 180 degree. Okay, so y is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 30 is 120. So 120, when it goes to right side it becomes minus 120. Okay, so 180 minus 120, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is nothing but 60. So I can say that y is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so I have determined that y is equal to 60 degree. Again, while seeing the diagram, right, these two angles are alternate interior angles. Okay, so using the property that alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore this y and this z are equal. Okay, so y is equal to z is equal to 60 degree. So I can say that z is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so third problem is over. And when coming to the fourth problem, so again easily I can say that these two angles are opposite. So definitely y is 80 degree, right? So opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 80 degree, and these two things are adjacent angles. So adjacent angles are supplementary. Therefore x plus 80 degree, right? These two angles are, when we add we will be getting 180, right? So x is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So 180 minus 80, it is 100. Okay, so x is equal to 100 degree. Okay, so this value is 100. Again, so while seeing the diagram, these two lines are parallel lines, and we have a traversal across it, right? So this angle and this angle, right, both are alternate interior angles. That is, your y and z are alternate interior angles. So again, using the property that alternate interior angles are equal, therefore y is equal to z is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Coming to the fifth problem, here these two things are opposite angles, right? So opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal, therefore y is equal to 112 degree. Okay, so this angle is 112. Okay, and again we have sum of all the angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. Okay, so I can say that 112 plus x plus 40. Okay, it is nothing but 180. Okay, so x is equal to 180. So 112 plus 40. Okay, so 2 and then 5, 152. So 152, when coming to the right hand side, it becomes minus 152. Okay, so 180 minus 152. 10 minus 2 is 8. Again 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so 28 degree. Okay, so x is equal to 28 degree. Okay, so why I am saying the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Using that I can determine that it is 28 degree. Okay, so again same property, right? Alternate angles, right? Alternate interior angles are equal, so x is equal to z. Okay, so z is equal to x is equal to 28 degree. Okay, why this is 28 degree? Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles, so definitely both are equal. So z is equal to x equal to 28 degree. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.